Welcome back to Dadskillz. Today we've got a really easy one, nice and straightforward. My wipers on my van have become something like smearers. They're absolutely rubbish. So I've been and got some more. Been and got a nice set of Bosch wipers, different sizes. So you've got a bigger one for the driver's side, smaller one for the passenger side. I'm going to show you how to put those on. If you've never done that before, this should give you a little confidence boost. Show you can do it on your own. I'm going to set the camera up outside and we'll do it, but I won't record any vocal outside because it's so windy. As you can probably tell, the van is shaking about as I talk. So a couple of minutes, we should have it done. See you outside. So we'll get them out of the packet and then we'll have a look in a moment. They're both Bosch, and as you see, the old ones have got this little tab on the back, which the new ones haven't got. And there we see on the old ones, you just have to press that tab down in the middle and off they come. So same again on the passenger side. Now I'll have a closer look at these ones. You see that little channel that's been made in the new wipers? Well, that channel needs to locate in this metal tab on the actual wiper metal itself. And once you get those two located, it just snaps in. Simple as that. Right, okay. Once you get the neck for that, and once you find that little locating thing, on these wipers anyway, then it all slots together. So I'm going to flip you around and let's see if they're better than the old ones. Nice. Oh, that's much better. A clear sweep and no smears. That's fantastic. Hope that's been some help. If you're into car videos and car maintenance, and you think it's something that you need to learn about, take a look at the video on screen now. I'm sure that'll be useful, and I'll catch you again real soon. Cheers.